Hi, I'm Kim Cash, and I'm making a DIY dragon jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. I start out with a bare pumpkin, and I just start painting what I think a dragon would look like on the skin of the pumpkin. After I get that, I start taking some thumbtacks and stick them right into the pumpkin. You could use silver or gold, and some thumbtacks even have some leather on them. And I just start sticking them in. You can see I marked where I was going to put them because I was trying to design what I thought a dragon would look like and where the scales would go on his face. And so then I just start sticking them in. And this is the part that takes a little while, but you just sit there and stick them in wherever you think they should go. And you got to be careful because these ones are metal and they slip and slide pretty easily. And I dropped a few on the floor, and then I'd have to get up and go search for those because I didn't want anyone to step on them. But then after I got them all stuck in, you can see I stuck some wings in. These are plastic wings that my son 3D printed for me. But you could use cardboard or paper that had some kind of a covering over them. You could use all kinds of different things. And I just stuck them in. First I cut a little hole. And I just wanted to wish you all a happy Halloween. And I hope you will have creative times and fun times. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Bye!